In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a GitHub link to LinkedIn. Before you begin, make sure you already have your GitHub profile link copied and ready to paste. This will make the process much faster and help you avoid mistakes when entering the web address. Adding your GitHub link to LinkedIn is a smart way to make your work more visible, especially if you want recruiters, clients, or other professionals to quickly access your projects directly from your profile. Start by opening LinkedIn and going to your main feed. From there, click your profile picture and choose the option to view your profile. This will take you to your public-facing profile page where you can edit the information that other people see. Once you're on your profile, look for the pencil icon on the right side of your introduction card. This is the section near the top of your profile that includes your basic information. Click that pencil icon to open the editing window. When the pop-up window appears, scroll all the way down to the bottom. You'll see an option labeled Edit Contact Info. Click that to open the section where LinkedIn allows you to add websites and other contact details. This is the best place to include your GitHub link because it makes it clickable and easy to find near the top of your profile. Next, click the Add Website button. A new field will appear where you can enter the link. Paste your full GitHub profile URL into the website URL field. Be sure to paste the complete address so the link works properly when someone clicks on it. After that, find the website type drop-down menu and open it. From the available options, select Other. This allows you to create a custom label instead of using a generic website category. If LinkedIn prompts you for a label, type GitHub into the custom label field. This helps visitors immediately understand where the link goes. Once everything looks correct, click Save. Your GitHub link will now be added to your LinkedIn contact information and displayed as a clickable link on your profile. As a final check, return to your profile and confirm that the link appears correctly and is easy to spot. It's always a good idea to test it once to make sure it opens your GitHub page without any issues. This small update can make your LinkedIn profile look more complete and professional, while also giving people a direct path to see your technical work.